everyone, welcome back to our channel UGC Net and Gate Studios. Hope you all are doing well. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the various vacancies from the NCERT for the post of assistant professor. So guys, let's get into the notification. This is the Regional Institute of Education and here you can see the NCERT logo. So we have to download the advertisement. So after downloading, the PDF is downloaded, guys. So the Regional Institute of Education, Shamla Hills, Bhopal. So guys, the location is Bhopal and it is under NCERT. Let's get into the advertisement. It is advertisement number 4, 2021. The institute invites online application for engagement to the following teaching posts of institute on contractual basis for the academic session 2021 and 22. So guys, this is on a contractual basis. The tenure of engagement is up to 30th of August, 30th of April 2022 or till the regular incumbent join the post, whichever is earlier. The contractual engagement will confer no right to claim the post on regular basis. So guys, this is purely on a contractual basis. So for the post of professor, we have two subjects, which is science and education. The remuneration is rupees 1 lakh per month. And for the post of associate professor, we have education, maths, zoology, physics, and the number of vacancies are also there. The rupees 60,000 per month. And for the post of assistant professor, we have many subjects such as education, physical education, maths, zoology, physics, chemistry, geography, Hindi, economics, agriculture, and Urdu and Marathi. And you will be getting rupees 45,000 per month. And work experience teachers, we have 4 vacancies in the computer science, rupees 26,250 per month. So guys, the post and number of posts can be increased or decreased. Decision of the principal RIE Bhopal will be final in this respect. Those who have served in NCERT, including any unit, 3 years need not apply. So guys, this is the advertisement. We have the essential qualification for the post of professor, which is in the subjects of science and education. An eminent scholar having PhD degree in the concerned discipline and published work of high quality, actively engaged in research with evidence of published work with a minimum of 10 research publications in the peer reviewed or UGC listed journals and a total research score of 120 as per the criteria given in UGC 2018 regulation. A minimum of 10 years of teaching experience in university or college level as assistant professor, associate professor or professor, and or all research experience at equivalent level at the university or national level institutions with evidence or having successfully guided doctoral candidate, or an outstanding professional having a PhD degree in the relevant discipline from any academic institutions not included in A above industry who has made significant contribution to the knowledge in the concerned discipline. Guys, the age limit is not more than 65 years as on 1st of August 2021 and the mode of selection is online or offline interview. So guys, you can also give online interview. They will notify whether it is online or offline interview. And for the post of assistant professor, guys, also you have to have a good academic record. With a PhD degree, you need to have a PhD degree in the concerned discipline, a master's degree with at least 55% marks, and a minimum of 8 years of experience of teaching in an academic research position equivalent to that of assistant professor in a university, college, or accredited research institution with a minimum of 7 publications in the peer-reviewed or UGC listed journals and a total research score of 75 as per the given criteria in UGC 2018 regulation. So for the assistant professor also, the age limit is not more than 65 years as on 1st of August 2021. The mode of selection is also online or offline interview. Same here, we have the So this was for the associate professor, not the assistant professor. This was for the associate professor, which I finished now, and this is for the post of assistant professor. You don't need to have a PhD. No, you have to have a master's degree with 55% marks, and besides fulfilling the above qualifications, you have to have NET or SET or SLET or SET, or have been awarded a PhD degree in accordance with the University Grants Commission, provided the candidates registered for the PhD program prior to 11th of July 2009 shall be governed by the provisions of the then existing ordinances, bylaws, regulations of the institution awarding the degree, and such PhD candidates shall be exempted from the requirement of NET, SLET, or SET for recruitment and appointment of assistant professor or equivalent positions in universities, colleges, institutions subject to the fulfillment of the following conditions. The PhD, there are 5 conditions, guys. The PhD degree has been awarded in a regular mode. The PhD thesis has been evaluated by at least 2 external examiners. An open PhD viva voice of the candidate has been conducted. The candidate has published 2 research papers from his or her PhD work, out of which at least one is in a referred journal. The candidate has presented at least 2 papers based on his or her PhD work in conferences, seminars sponsored, funded, supported by the UGC, ICSSR, CSIR, or any similar agency. Guys, there are various eligibility criteria. You can check them, according to which you can apply. The academic score as specified in Appendix 2, Table 3A for universities and Appendix 2, Table 3B for colleges shall be considered for shortlisting of candidates for interview only, and the selections shall be based only on the performance in the interview. Guys, here also they have mentioned according to what you will be shortlisted for the interview, and if you shortlisted for the interview, your selection will be done totally based on your performance in the interview. And age limit is not more than 65 years as on 1st of August 2021, and essential qualification for work experience teacher, which is in the subject of computer sciences, BE in computer science or IT, or BCA, BSc in computer science IT. Age limit is below 35 years as on 1st of August 2021. Same here, mode of selection is online or offline. And if you are fulfilling all the eligibility conditions above, you can submit your online applications on the institute website, which is www.riebhopal.nic.in. Opening and closing dates for submitting online applications are 4th of August 2021 to 18th of August. So, guys, the last date of submitting the online application is 18th of August 2021, 5 p.m. Okay, until 5 p.m. on the 18th, you can submit your application forms, and separate application is required to be submitted for applying to different posts. So, guys, if you are applying for multiple posts, you have to submit multiple application forms. And candidates are also required to upload the scanned copy of mark sheets, passport size photograph with signature and other relevant documents against their qualifications and experiences. And guys, the date and time of attending the interview, online or offline, as per the prevailing situation for the respective posts, shall be intimated to the shortlisted candidates only through email. So guys, you need to check your email on a regular basis. Like if you are shortlisted for any respective post, they will intimate to you via the email only, and the institute reserves the right to fill or not to fill any or all the posts mentioned above. So guys, you can, the last date is 18th of August 2021. Within this, you can fill up the application form and submit it. I will provide all the links required in the description box, and there are various general conditions as well. You can check them. So this is it for the notification. Another important thing, guys, Our channel, which is UGC Net and Gate Studios, completely focuses on solving the UGC question papers asked in the last 10 years. So currently we are solving 2020 question paper. We have different playlists. Like you can come and check our channels. Check our channel. We have different playlists as well, like for discrete engineering, database management. We have solved the question papers thoroughly. We are currently solving 2020 question paper, and we'll be solving more such question papers last 10 years. So guys, if you want to get a clear idea of what questions are asked in the UGC net, you can visit our page, and you will get solutions to all your problems only on our page, which is UGC Net and Gate Studios. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please share it with your friends as well, so that they can use this channel for their complete advantage. Thank you.